Facial rejuvenation includes all procedures that are designed to enhance and refresh the face. These include, but are not limited to, facelifts, neck lifts, injection of fat or fillers, Restylane, hyaluronic acid products to the face, work around the eyes called blepharoplasty, and brow lifts. Now, there are some new techniques that are emerging that are considered minimal techniques to reduce recovery time. And while these may be good, it's very important to know that you cannot apply one technique to every patient. That's why it's important to seek out a plastic surgeon who is very knowledgeable and skilled in many ways of accomplishing facial rejuvenation. Now, many of my patients come in with concern because they see women that look polled or unnatural, and this is what we're trying to avoid. Some of the comments that I hear that give me extreme pleasure is my patients come back and say, you know, I haven't seen this person in 6 months and they just thought I looked great. They didn't know what I did, they thought I lost weight, they thought I got a new haircut, and comments like this is what give me quite a bit of satisfaction in my work. Next, I'd like you to meet one of my patients who underwent facial rejuvenation. She's extremely pleased, and I think you'll see that we accomplished our goals. She shares with me many of the compliments that she gets, and I think it's a very good example of how plastic surgery can enrich your life.
My name is Deborah, and I had some facial rejuvenation surgery about 1.5 years ago, and I am absolutely so glad that I did it. It was one of the best decisions I ever made in my life. Dr. Reagan, during my consult, really impressed me because he looked at me and he said, "This is exactly what I'd like to do." And he described it to me, and I could tell by looking in his eyes that he could see the results. He knew exactly what he was going to do, and he could see the results. And none of the other plastic surgeons that I went to see quite impressed me with that vision. Oh, I got to tell you this was wonderful. First time he took my bandages off, I guess this was the first time I saw him after the surgery, he was so excited. And of course I hadn't seen anything, you know, because I was all bandaged up. But he was almost like a little boy, he was so excited. It was like, yes, look at this. You know, it was like we were a team together, making sure that I was going to be gorgeous. So that's the way I felt. It was great.